Dear Greg, my husband can be such an angry man about many things, but especially when he's not getting enough sex, in his opinion. He just badgers me and intimidates me and makes me feel guilty until I finally give in and have sex with him. I was talking with a counselor recently who helped me see that essentially my husband forces me to have sex with him, which is the same as raping me. That thought makes me just sick to my stomach. What do you think about that?
When we're in pain, we're so tempted to feel and act like victims, aren't we? I encourage you strongly, do not give in to this temptation to feel like you're being raped here or even forced to do anything. This counselor is just plain wrong. I have no doubt whatever that your husband is being aggressive and angry and that you feel guilty and manipulated and pushed to have sex with him. But let's look at the whole picture. Both of you feel empty and alone and miserable. He hopes that having sex will make him happy because sex is a great source of praise, power, and pleasure. But of course, it never does. Imitation love never lasts for long. And you feel like you're being taken advantage of here. But that's not true. You're getting something out of this too. You want your husband's love so much that you're willing to do almost anything for it, even if you have to buy it. So, from time to time, you actually buy your husband's approval with sex, or at least you buy the absence of his disapproval, which is pretty much the same thing. Sure, that's pretty pathetic, but there it is. You do not feel loved by pretty much anybody, or you wouldn't allow yourself to be held hostage by your husband, because that's what you are. You're a hostage. But it's not his fault. You allow it. You voluntarily participate in this unhealthy relationship. Now, there's no blaming about this. I'm just describing where your relationship is. You are both using each other, and it's not working out. So you have a decision to make. You can stay in this awful relationship, or you could take the steps required to change you, because you don't get to change him. If you'll learn enough about real love to bring that element to your relationship, enormous changes will become possible. Don't feel like a victim here. That will never work. It's always about real love. Do what it takes to find it.